Okay guys, so here is another hot shot for you. What is it? New file. Let me open this. Now what happened? Oh, this new file came. What is this? This is a new file. So let me show you what I did there. I did the problem was that whenever I had to create a new file, I was doing this. No, I was doing this. First I would create a text document. I will save it like this and .py. Then this. Now I am able to edit this and do my thing. But 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 by writing this, I imported random num is equals to random.rand and this will be the file name plus .py extension with open a new file. So with this line I created a new file, and we can create as many new file as we can by opening this. 2 or 3 files will be created like this, and by importing the random module and randomly assigning the names, I am able to do this. I don't have to do this crap. So that's it. That was the hot shot. What was the name? Fun and useful Python scripts. And this was the part 2.